Hey guys, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, December 29th. I hope you guys had a great Christmas and that you're enjoying this week in between Christmas and New Year's. We had a really nice Christmas here. I told you my family was coming, my sister and her husband and kids, and my dad and stepmom. So we were busy up until they left on Wednesday. So since then, I've been busy trying to organize and do laundry and clean and that sort of thing. So I'm pretty tired, but I did want to come on and show you a few things that I got. I told you during my last haul that I had gotten some things for Valentine's Day, so that's what I wanted to show you today. So, but before I do that, I wanted to show you one of the presents that I got for Christmas. And this is from my sister. She gave me this basket of emotional support strawberries. Isn't that hilarious? So there are all these little Plushie strawberries, and then each one has like a name and a personality too. So I thought this was hilarious. And the really funny thing is I had gotten my daughter something, well, the same thing, but it was emotional support nuggets, and it has like chicken nuggets in here. So my sister had gotten this. We didn't, know that we'd gotten these, that we'd both gotten these. So it was so funny. Anyway, I will keep these in my craft room and use them for emotional support. So I wanted to show you that. I did get some lovely presents. I hope you guys did too, and I did a lot of cooking, a lot of baking, and cooking for dinners and stuff too. So luckily we've been having leftovers for the past couple days. All right, let's get on with the haul, and I wanted to start with, I went to Target today and they had a few Valentine's things out in the back. So I picked up this cute little plushie, and it's actually, it's for little kids, but it was in the back with the Valentine gifts. So this was $5, and it's a little chocolate covered strawberry. I thought it would be adorable in my hutch with my Valentine's decor. They had other ones too. They had like a little pastry. They had a couple different macarons. They had a pink one and a purple one, and I forget what else, maybe another one or two, but this was my favorite, of course, and I just love how it sits and the little feet go up. So, and for only $5, I thought that would be great in my Valentine decor. Speaking of Valentine decor, I also got this. You know how Target has these every season? Well, yeah, every season they have them for Valentine's Day and Christmas and Halloween. So these are their little buddies. This one is a coffee, of course, and a donut, and just really, really cute. These are $5. They also had like 2 avocados. They had one that was strawberry and a chocolate bar, which was cute, but I thought this one was even cuter. They had a peanut butter and jelly one. So these are just so sweet. And I do have, some for different holidays, and I wanted to add this to my collection. So I picked that up. And then also at Target, I got this wrapping paper for 50% off, but I got it because I think it would be great for all times of the year, and it's the Sugar Paper brand, which is a really nice brand. It was normally $6. It was $3 today, and it's just red, and it has white hearts on it and dots, and then some gold stars as well. So if I don't know if I would give Valentine gifts, but it would be perfect for that, or anniversary, or even birthday, I think. So, and then, also I could save it for next Christmas, but I don't really like to save wrapping paper for next year. I like to get new stuff during the year. So anyway, I got that from Target today. And then the things that I had gotten last week are mostly from Home Goods, TJ Maxx, that sort of thing. I think these are from Marshall's. These are dish towels from Cupcakes and Cashmere, and they have cherries on them. At first I was thinking that I might have had them from last year, but they have this like sort of pom-pom trim at the bottom, and I know I don't have towels like that, so I definitely don't have these. And this is a set of 2 for $7.99, and they're just so nice, good quality. You can use these to dry dishes and your hands and stuff. So I thought these were beautiful. Picked those up at Marshall's. And I also got these there. These are little oven mitts. I have ones for Christmas they have gingerbread on them, and they've been really handy for the Christmas season, so I thought I'd get the cupcake ones too. These are $9.99. Oh, I thought these were from Marshall's. I guess I got them at TJ Maxx. So anyway, these have little cupcakes with hearts on them, and of course the grippies, and they work really well when you're taking things out of the oven. So pick those up. Maybe this is what I got at Marshall's. Oh yeah, this is it. The set of 2 drying mats, and these are by Martha Stewart. Love the pink gingham with the cherries on them. Cherries are super big this time of year. I actually just got a sweatshirt at Target the other day when I went with my sister and a few of our kids. We just went the day after Christmas to look around, and I got a cherry sweatshirt. So I didn't bring that down, otherwise I'd show you, but I did get this, and this was 2 for $7.99. I forget if I just told you that or not, but yeah, it's nice to have these to dry dishes on, and I also put my cat's water fountain on one of these, so pick that up. And these I got at TJ Maxx. These are candles by Cupcakes and Cashmere. And I just thought they were so pretty, taper candles. I have taper candle holders, 2 on my mantle and 2 on my dining room table. So I thought I would put, 2 and 2. And I intend to use these as well. I just think they're so pretty. And yeah, so these were $7.99 for the 4. They had other styles too. One that had like red hearts, and they were like sculpted hearts. But I like this the best. They're all different and just so pretty. And then the last thing I wanted to show you, this is my favorite. This is also by Cupcakes and Cashmere. This is a set of 6 decor donuts, and they're heart-shaped and just so pretty, right? These will be great on my hutch, in my like baking themed Valentine's display. And yeah, they're just so cute, all different. They also had ones that were, let's see, I think they had round ones, and then they had other heart ones, but like more purpley. But I picked this one, and this was $14.99, and I got this at Home Goods, I know that. So these are really nice and big, as you can see, and of course I will show you my hutch once it's decorated for Valentine's Day. I keep my Christmas stuff up until after the New Year. It's just, tradition for me. I feel like this is still the Christmas season. The 12 days of Christmas starts at Christmas. And of course, there's Little Christmas on January 6th. So I like to keep the Christmas spirit going as long as possible. But anyway, that's all I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great New Year's weekend. We don't really do much on New Year's Eve. We just kind of stay home. We finish up the Christmas cookies. And actually, last year I didn't stay up till midnight, which was great. And I think I'm going to do that again this year because, the kids are doing their own thing, and it's just me and my husband. And I'd like to get up early and go to bed early, so it's hard for me to stay up till midnight. So I'm just not going to try this year probably, unless I get a second wind or whatever. But let me know what you guys are doing. I would love to hear how your Christmas was. And yeah, happy 2024. I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.